Bowling Green might be known for its caves and corvettes, but this destination has a secret ingredient: its culinary scene. Today on BGKY Eats, we're visiting our friends at Chaney's Dairy Barn, named the best ice cream parlor in Kentucky by USA Today. Not only can visitors take a high-tech farm tour, enjoy delicious food, and burn steam on the playground, but their bi-monthly summer series, Ice Cream in a Movie, is the cherry on top. For this episode, we wanted to get the scoop on some of their area partnerships and the signature desserts they make.
Well, the Dairy Barn started about 15 years ago, but of course our story goes way, way, way back before then. My family started farming here in 1888. So I'm fourth generation, our kids are fifth generation, and our grandkids will be sixth generation here on the farm. My dad started milking cows in 1940, and we've been milking cows ever since. We make a signature ice cream for Western Kentucky, the Hilltoppers. We named it the Big Red Rumble, so we sell it at all the football games, basketball games. We also sell ice cream at Mammoth Cave, which we picked up last year, which is fantastic. Corvette Museum, I mean, we've had them for about 5 or 6 years. They do a fantastic job with our ice cream. And during the summer months, they buy a lot of ice cream also. Deemers, we're excited about that. And Bree, she works closely with them to get the exact flavor and for their dessert.
A crowd favorite would be Wow Now Brownie Cow. Everybody loves that one. It's just chocolate on chocolate on chocolate. But what I make the most of would probably be chocolate and vanilla. I did come up with I'm calling it creamsicle. It's just like an orange soda float, really, but it's just straight in the ice cream and it's really good.
We're also working with Mariah's restaurant. Mariah's, when they reopened about 1.5 years, 2 years ago, or whatever the time span was, we started talking to Jody Fleming and about some of the things, and they had something they called the Galaxy Pie. And they were having to make it in-house, and they thought, man, it'd be great if y'all could make it. And we were like, yeah, it would be great to make it. And well, let's just see if we can make it happen. So we kind of got together, figured out how to make it, and it's just been something that they've absolutely loved, and we enjoy making it, and it's great for both. When you can do something, when you can partner with somebody, and it's great for us. You know, Mariah's have got a great name, and it's great to be a part of that.
It starts with an Oreo crust, and then a layer of caramel, and then a layer of Caltrax ice cream, and then a layer of Oreo, another layer of Reese's, a layer of Caltrax, and then a layer of Oreo, and then it gets a big dome of Caltrax ice cream, and then pack Reese's around that. It's a Snickers ice cream, and it has a caramel swirl as well. It's a vanilla base. It's a 2-day process. The first day I make the 2 parts, and then the next day I put them together. And altogether it's about 4 or 5 hours to make 12 pies.
The Kentucky Department of Tourism has declared 2018 the Year of Kentucky Food, with a regional focus on pork dishes. Inspired by local flavors, we'll explore restaurants in the Bowling Green area and hear what makes these plates stand out. Visit our website to learn more about the BG Eats route and our local cuisine. Thanks for watching, and make Bowling Green your next foodie destination.